aviation sector has been here for a couple of years. They could not come on a work agreement because they do not know what the plans are. They fail to submit on the plans. So anong i-emergency natin kung hindi lang natin alam kung ano ang planong gawin? Ano bang hinihingi? Bakit emergency powers for what? Kung nangingailangan ka ng 2,000 ininyero sa Department of Department of Public Works, hindi po kailangan ng emergency power to hire 2,000 workers as engineers, which is identified as a shortcoming. You do not need emergency powers to do that. You do not need emergency powers to make sure that you spend your money allotted on time. So I don't really see this knee-jerk reaction of emergency powers.